Welcome back to my channel. Today's question looks like simple, but it tricks thousands of students every year. So don't answer quickly, uh, wrap your pen and pause the video, see if you can beat me. 12 minus, sorry, 15 minus 3 in the bracket times inside the bracket 8 plus 2 is how much? So the question is not this one. So how to solve this one? Before we solve it, what do you think? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments below. If you solve this question, is 15 minus 3 is 12 times 8 plus 2, so which is equals to 8, 12 times 8 plus 12 times 2. So if you solve this question from left to right without any preconditions, you are going to make a wrong calculation or a wrong results. So remember, or you have to follow the golden rule, the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. P stands for the parenthesis or the expression inside the bracket. E is the exponent. M stands for the multiplication. D stands for addition, and division. This one is addition and subtraction. In the order of operation, multiplication and division have the same priority. So to work from left to right, and the same is true addition and subtraction. So let's solve it based on this golden rule. So here we have 15 minus 3 is 12. So before we are going to solve this one, the multiplication, we have to solve first the expression inside the brackets, or the parentheses. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So we can put it, this one is 12, this one is 10. So simply 12 times 10, which is equals to 120. This is the correct answer. So if you got it right, give yourself a big thumb up. So you are learning to think like a mathematicians. So here is a trick you will never forget. So if you get such kind of expression, don't solve any expression from left to right genuinely. So you have to think this rule. So that question will save you from many mistakes. Remember, mathematics is not about being fast. It's about thinking correctly. Every expert was once a beginner who kept practicing. If you learned something new today, like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing and keep believing in yourself. Thank you.